Well, hello friends and followers. Here's the Drake L4B power supply. And I've been putting in this Harbauch board here. This power supply is okay. It's a little corroded. It wasn't stored properly in Rhode Island. I probably should have sent this thing back to the seller and just gotten rid of it, but persevering on. The amplifier it goes with is pretty nice. So anyway, I did build up this Harbauch board today. Took only about 10-15 minutes to put the parts in, solder them up. So I found the easiest way to get this thing in here is to mount it and then put the fish paper on the bottom securely. They say to jam the fish paper in. I drilled holes in the fish paper with a drill actually and got it to mount exactly on the studs here on the bottom of the board. Anyway, here's how this whole thing goes. They're saying to put the transformer primary or secondaries in. The high voltage will go into here and here from the transformer, and note how the board is mounted. So I have the diodes all mounted toward the serial number. So serial number here, breakers, diodes, mount the board like that. That's how it goes. And then put the primaries in here, the secondaries in here where it says AC1. You can see AC1 in there maybe. AC2 right there. Put the big B plus high voltage wire right there where it says B plus, and that leaves this one little wire here, this little red wire here. I guess there's a red and black wire you can use, this B minus. I haven't really figured this one out yet, but I just stuck it on there, and now I'll go underneath the amp power supply and deal with that wire. So that's about it. I did break this resistor when I was in here cleaning, so I got a new one of these ordered. This one survived. This one's broken, so I guess I can't power the amp up yet, but I guess I could ohm this out. If I got 50,000 ohms, I guess I'm good to go, at least for testing. So I got one more wire to put on the bottom of this thing, and that should do it. Give it a whirl, see if it'll run. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.